Hi. Welcome to Inference. This is the place where you learn and improve. In this video, I will be talking about weather weapons. Have you ever heard of weather weapons? These are advanced technologies that allow humans to manipulate the Earth's climate. While the concept of weather manipulation might sound like science fiction, it has been studied and experimented with for decades. In this video, we'll explore the world of weather weapons, what they are, how they work, and the potential implications of using them. Weather manipulation has gained traction as a potential solution to mitigate the effects of climate change. The idea is to artificially alter the weather to combat rising temperatures, droughts, and other climate-related problems. But this technology is not without controversy. The use of weather weapons has the potential to cause unintended consequences and could even be used as a military weapon. So, join us as we dive into the fascinating and complex world of weather weapons. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the science behind these technologies and the potential implications of using them to alter the world's climate. There are two main types of weather weapons, those that modify the atmosphere and those that alter the ocean. Let's explore each of these in more detail. Atmospheric weather weapons involve manipulating the Earth's atmosphere to create desired weather patterns. One common example is cloud seeding, which involves dropping chemicals into the atmosphere to encourage the formation of rain or snow. Another type of atmospheric weapon is ionospheric heaters. These are large antennas that heat the upper atmosphere, creating artificial auroras and altering the jet stream. By altering the jet stream, scientists believe that they can steer weather systems away from areas experiencing droughts or other weather-related problems. Oceanic weather weapons aim to alter the temperature and currents of the ocean. One example of an oceanic weapon is iron dust fertilization. This involves dumping iron into the ocean to promote the growth of phytoplankton, which absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Another type of oceanic weapon is wave generators, which can alter the temperature of the ocean by creating upwelling or cooling currents. While these technologies may sound promising, they are still in the experimental stage, and the potential risks and unintended consequences of geoengineering are not yet fully understood. In the next section, we'll explore some of these controversies and risks in more detail. While the idea of manipulating the weather may seem like a quick fix to combat climate change, it is not without significant risks and controversies. One of the main concerns is the potential for unintended consequences. Weather systems are complex and interrelated, and altering one part of the system could have unintended consequences elsewhere. For example, changing the temperature or acidity of the ocean could have catastrophic effects on marine ecosystems, potentially causing mass extinctions or other ecological disasters. Similarly, altering the jet stream could have far-reaching impacts on weather patterns, potentially causing droughts or flooding in unexpected areas. Another concern is the military implications of weather weapons. Some experts worry that weather manipulation could be used as a tool of warfare, potentially causing natural disasters in enemy territories or disrupting the food supply of other countries. The use of weather weapons could also lead to an arms race, with countries competing to develop more advanced and powerful technologies. Furthermore, there is concern that relying on weather manipulation to combat climate change could undermine efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. If countries believe that they can simply manipulate the weather to combat the effects of climate change, they may be less motivated to take the difficult steps necessary to reduce carbon emissions and transition to renewable energy sources. Overall, while weather weapons may seem like a promising solution to combat climate change, the potential risks and unintended consequences must be carefully weighed before proceeding with geoengineering. It is important to approach geoengineering with caution and to fully understand the potential risks and consequences before proceeding with large-scale interventions. Ultimately, it is up to policymakers and society as a whole to carefully consider the ethical and ecological implications of using weather weapons to alter the Earth's climate. If you're interested in learning more about weather weapons and geoengineering, there are several reputable sources of information available online. However, it's important to be cautious when seeking information on this topic, as there is a lot of misinformation and conspiracy theories circulating as well. As individuals, there are also steps we can take to combat climate change without resorting to geoengineering. Reducing our carbon footprint through actions like using public transportation, reducing meat consumption, and supporting renewable energy sources can all have a significant impact on the environment. If you or someone you know is experiencing the effects of extreme weather events, it's important to take appropriate safety measures and seek help if necessary. Contact your local emergency services or disaster relief organizations for assistance. It's also important to stay informed about weather patterns and potential risks in your area. Pay attention to weather forecasts and warnings, and take proactive steps to prepare for potential disasters. In conclusion, weather weapons are a complex and controversial topic that raises important questions about the role of technology in combating climate change. While they may offer a temporary fix, they come with significant risks and uncertainties that must be carefully weighed and considered. As individuals, we can all take steps to reduce our carbon footprint and support sustainable practices. By supporting renewable energy sources, reducing our consumption, and engaging in informed discussions about climate change, we can work towards a more sustainable and just future for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any thoughts or questions about weather weapons or geoengineering, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on important topics. Spread this video with others to help spread awareness about this important topic, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Alright, folks, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about weather weapons. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.